let's continue to be vigilant. Meron pong kwento yung isang soldier, night watch duty. Nakaupo siya, nakatulog. Dumating yung commander, "Hey soldier, what are you doing?" You know the wise soldier did? Amen. Kunwari nagdadasal pala siya. You know, be vigilant, anything can happen anytime. Speaking of vigilance, footnote lang po ha, be vigilant of scammers. Yung pangalan po ginagamit na nagre-recommenda ng mga food products, supplements. Don't believe that. AI, ginawa ng istorya. And please, I don't endorse any product except the Lord, okay? And number 2, kung may nagsusolicit po using my name, Facebook, I never solicit social media, I never solicit. Unless you hear from me, wag po tayong makikinig, okay? Be vigilant. That's part of our living. Finally,